Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a gradient text effect on CapCut PC. So first, I'm just going to type in gradient on this white colored text. No, I meant to say is just type gradient in a white color or black. It's up to you. But then you're going to go to the stock materials, I think. And go to backgrounds and select a black colored background or a white one. It's really up to you how you want to make this. Right click, create compound clip, and place it on top. Then for the gradient, you're just going to basically use a bunch of colors here. I'm using pink. And then go to a canvas and then go to color. And then I'll do maybe I can't see the colors. A yellow. And create compound clip on that one. And then I'll do one more because it's gonna take me a long time to do more than that. Let's do blue. Okay. Now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to mask these to create a gradient. You can use any shape you want. I'll do the mirror one. And I'm just going to feather it out like this. Then I'll make it a little bit smaller. And then we'll do the pink one. And then we'll do the blue one here. Then get that gradient, video, basic, blend mode, and select the darken one. Okay, can't really see it. Let me just delete the yellow, and I'm gonna make it so that it's smaller. And I'll make the text a little bit bigger so you can actually see the gradient. There we go. Now you can see it. That is it. You can just choose any color that you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.